Which trading platform is better, Trading212 or Freetrade? Welcome to my channel, my name is Robin Elms. If you are new here and like videos on money matters, eco-friendly living and much more, subscribe so you don't miss a video. Also, whilst I've got your attention, check out the description box which is full of discounts and things you can get for free. Also have a look for timestamps. In today's video I'm comparing the pros and cons of Trading212 versus Freetrade as of Feb 2021. Feel free to make yourself a cuppa as I do like to go into a lot of detail so you can make an informed decision on whether you would like to use one of these platforms. This will hopefully save you a lot of time, money and energy, especially if you are new to investing or if you only want to have one investment platform so you don't get too overwhelmed and want to choose the right one for you from the get-go. First, let's talk about the similarities between both Trading212 and Freetrade. You can invest from very small amounts, making it very accessible to retail traders, small-scale investors like me and you. Trading212 allows you to invest from £1, whereas Freetrade it's from £2. Your money is backed by the FSCS up to 85,000, which means your money is safe if either of the companies went bust. This is not related to your profits and losses though. You can buy UK and US stocks and ETFs, and they both have quite a decent amount to choose from, and they include most of the popular stocks like Tesla and Amazon. They offer fractional shares, meaning that if you cannot afford to buy a whole share, you can buy part of a whole share. There's no commission to pay on trades, unlike some of the more traditional brokers who charge anywhere from £8 to £12 per trade, which is extortionate, especially if you are only buying a small amount. They have social trading, which helps to make investing in the stock market less isolating and open to discussion. For Trading212, you can see what other people are trading via the Pi library and can also copy other people's portfolios. On Freetrade, you can get involved in conversations for each stock. Make sure you do your own research and don't just copy what other people are investing in, and also don't follow the hype. You can add stocks to a watch list. On Trading212, you can customize your watch list, add up to around 40 stocks and create more than one watch list, which I find very useful. For Freetrade, you do not have this level of creativity as it's just one watch list. With more investing platforms offering free trading and gaining popularity, it is likely to cause the more traditional brokers to reduce their fees to be more competitive, which help everybody in the stock market space out. They both have useful graphs to see the performance over time with exact dates if you drag your finger over the certain point on the graph to pinpoint where a stock went up or down. They also have free withdrawals. I've tested this on Trading212 and it executed within a week. You can also withdraw on Freetrade. And this is what they are both not doing so well at. They have less stock and ETF availability than traditional brokers, which is restrictive and frustrating when you want to keep everything under one cost-effective platform. Due to the government, both platforms charge stamp duty fees for UK stock, but not UK ETFs at 0.5%. Their customer service is hard to get a hold of. I've waited 1 to 2 weeks for a response back from Trading212, and for ease of use I will leave their email in the description box below, as their form within the app doesn't seem to work. In Freetrade I've never been able to message them, which is very frustrating. I've heard of other YouTubers being able to, but I have tried on the weekend, during the day and evening with no success. There is just nowhere I can get the conversation started. Just as a comparison, the customer service at Ticker within their app usually reply back to me the same day or next day, which I really appreciate. The invoices need improving. Trading212 sends out an invoice the day after each trade, but puzzlingly it does not include the name of the trades, which is not helpful. To avoid regular traders from being overloaded, sending them out once a month would make more sense. Freetrade provides a monthly statement within the app, but you are not able to view this until you have saved it somewhere, which is not easy when using a phone, which is strange as the app was designed for phone users. But to be fair, when you do look at it, at least it is written in a clear way and in pretty pink. Finally, on Trading212 and Freetrade, you are limited to searching for a stock by name, country or industry. It would be helpful if they would allow stocks to be found from keywords associated with them, which may not be in their stock name, such as battery for electric vehicle stocks or renewable for clean energy stocks. Here are the ways Trading212 is better than Freetrade. They have a stocks and shares ISA, a general stocks and shares account, and a CFD account to choose from, which are all free to use. Freetrade charges £3 per month if you want to take advantage of the £20,000 annual tax-free stocks and shares ISA, which is £36 more annually than Trading212 before you've even started trading. Whilst we are on the topic, Trading212 is able to offer free accounts to users because the CFD traders who lose approximately 80% of their money pays for their account, whereas Freetrade does not have CFDs and its free accounts are paid for by its upgraded and ISA users. You can open a test account on Trading212 and play around with the 50,000 of fake money to get an idea of how the platform works and gain confidence in investing before actually investing your own money. This is a fantastic offering by Trading212, and I only know of eToro also offering this. Trading212 is available to use on your computer by logging onto their website, whereas Freetrade is app-based only, so you may be limited to looking at a smaller screen. You can put in a limit limit order for free on Trading212, where you can set a trade to be sold or bought if the stock hits a certain price within a certain time frame, which is useful when aiming to make the most profit by buying low and selling high. Freetrade makes you pay £9.99 per month for this privilege, which may mean it does not make sense to even do the limit order if you won't make at least £9.99 in profit per month by using the limit order feature. This upgrade pricing is ironic with it being called free trade. Perhaps Trading212 fits better with that name than Freetrade itself. Also, Freetrade discriminates against people using the free account by making some of their stocks only available to people who upgrade to their £9.99 package. I would love to know what makes them decide which stocks will be premium only. It makes me laugh when I see Freetrade asking you to upgrade to a stock that is free to trade on Trading212. An example of this would be Bluefield Solar Infrastructure Trust. You can get instant execution of a trade on Trading212 if the market is open, meaning you can guess more accurately how much you will pay for a trade. And if the market is not open, you can put in a request to buy or sell a trade, and Trading212 will execute this when the market opens again. This is great if you are at work or busy whilst the market is open. Freetrade does not allow you to put in an order outside of trade hours, and they only trade at one time once a day, meaning the share price could go up to more than you wish to pay for it, or you may get less shares for your money. In Trading212, you can set price alerts for a stock you are interested in, so you can be notified when the price of it goes above or below a certain price, which is very useful when trying to buy low and sell high, but don't want to be glued to a screen all day long. I have found Trading212 is easier to navigate and find the things you need. After clicking on a stock or ETF, you can easily find most of the information you will need about it, whereas on Freetrade you have to dig around a lot more to find the information that you need. I have also found the Trading212 app to be more responsive to me clicking on this and that than Freetrade. The only lag I have found with Trading212 is on the pie tab, where all my investments are listed, where sometimes when scrolling through them it gets stuck and I have to keep attempting to scroll again to get it to move. I would like Trading212 to fix this, as it is annoying, but it is nowhere near as annoying as Freetrade, when it lags at random points and it acts as though you haven't clicked on something when you've clicked on it like 3 times already. User experience is important, and this is a big drawback of Freetrade. Trading212 looks more professional / stock marketing, so feels more serious and intimidating. But that is a good thing, as it reminds you that your money is at risk and encourages you to only trade amounts you can afford to lose. But it may put some new investors off. Trading212 have recently introduced a fee of 0.7% for depositing money using your card after you have deposited £2,000 in total. Because I want to avoid being caught out by the fee, I have already started to now deposit money to Trading212 using bank transfer, which is completely free no matter the amount. You will be charged for currency conversion / foreign exchange fee / FX fee on whatever platform you use, but Trading212 only charges you how much it costs them, aka the spot price, with no extra on top, whereas Freetrade adds an extra 0.45% on top, making them more expensive. Here are the ways Freetrade is better than Trading212. It is more pretty and appealing than Trading212. It is pink, but the boys use it too. And whilst we are on the topic, I just want to say I love pink on men. Anyway, moving on. The app is a lot more friendly and less intimidating than Trading212 if you are new to trading. However, with it looking more friendly, the pretty pink colours may make you forget that your money is at risk and cause you to invest more money than you should do. This is more of a theory than a fact, but I would love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Freetrade has more security than Trading212, as you have to enter a 4-digit PIN to gain access, which is good if you let other people use your phone or are worried that someone may pick your phone up and play around with your investments, just for lols. Whereas Trading212 has no security, and anyone going on my phone could see my investments, which makes me feel very uneasy. I think Trading212 should take a leaf out of Freetrade's book, as I don't think it would take much for them to integrate security into their platform. Freetrade shows the currency the stock trades in next to the name of the company, which is really useful and time efficient if only want to invest in a certain trade of a particular industry without needing to click into and out of the trades to see what currency it is, which you have to do on Trading212. Also, it's easier to see on Freetrade how to withdraw, whereas on Trading212 it seems to be more hidden, which I don't like, although it is a good thing for long-term investors to not be tempted to withdraw. For their £9.99 per month premium upgrade, it will give you 3% interest on the cash in your account, paid monthly, which is a good interest compared to most savings accounts. But for this to make sense, you would need to have at least £333 cash in your ISA at any one time to just break even, and I would rather have that money invested, potentially making me more money, than just hanging around as cash. Trading212 has CFDs, which is similar to gambling, and with its high level of volatility and risk and 80% of retail traders losing money on CFDs, and with Freetrade not offering CFDs, there's no chance its users can lose money in that way, which is good. In conclusion, as you can probably tell, I favour Trading212 over Freetrade due to its many benefits. I must admit, I am more biased towards Trading212 as I've spent considerably more time on it, and it suits my personality of needing a detail-orientated platform. Freetrade has a lot to offer and is considerably cheaper than most traditional brokers, but in order to get the same benefits as Trading212, you need to upgrade to £9.99 a month, which seems unreasonable given that you can do everything the upgrade does for free on Trading212 and more. Having Freetrade as an extra doesn't do you any harm, and by opening a free account with my referral link in the description box below, you can benefit from a free share worth up to £200. If you wanted to open a Trading212 account, you can also get a free trade worth up to £100. I would love to see more improvements to both apps, especially around extra information such as ESG ratings, dividend payout and history, as well as improving the overall customer service. They are continually being improved, so I'm sure that they'll be 10 times better this time next year. Who knows, the platforms may see this video and take the feedback on board. Comment below what you think about the platforms and if this video has helped you to decide which platform to use. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day. Peace and love your way. Goodbye.